Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I trust you are all doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and tuning in today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Barbara. I go by the name of Simple Yet Stylish on all socials, and I upload fashion and personal style content. So if any of those topics are of interest to you, then consider hitting the subscribe button. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your ongoing support. Now, as you guys can tell by the title of today's video, we are going to be looking at some of the new handbags from Chanel. Now, I'm sure most of you know Matthieu Blazy has officially taken over as creative director for the brand. And for the most part, so many people are absolutely loving his new designs. And I must say, I am one of those people as well. From ready to wear, shoes, accessories, handbags, you name it. So far, everything I've seen on the runway ticks all the boxes. So without further delay, let's get straight into the new in handbags. Now, quick disclaimer, I've got my phone here, so if you see me looking down, then you know why. I'm just reading off of my notes. So the first bag that I would like to talk about is the Maxi flap bag. Now, on the Chanel website, these bags don't have names. They don't have unique or specific names assigned to them. They're just labeled in the most simplest, easy form. So maybe bowling bag, maxi bag, small bag, evening bag, etc. But there are different variants to the bags. So if you do decide to go on the website, then be sure to have a thorough scroll through because there's a lot more to look at. Back to the Maxi flap bag. This is spring summer 2026. It is grained calf skin with silver metal, and the color that you see on screen is a dark burgundy. Now, like I mentioned, there are other variants to these bags, so this is not the only option you have. Now, the description says that it is made of a supple leather worn on the shoulder or crossbody, double C clasp, functional and generous volumes. Introduced at the Spring Summer 2026 show, this new daytime bag reinterprets the emblematic codes of the house. Now, for those of you who are unaware, Matthieu Blazy's collection channels a conversation that he would have had with Gabrielle Chanel. And I absolutely love that. I think I've said this a number of times on this channel. I love when creative directors come in and there is a soulful meaning behind their designs. It's not just anything that they're putting out. So I absolutely love the overall meaning behind this new collection. Now, this bag, like it says in a description, it's a daytime bag. To each is their own. Wear your bags how you please. But if you can, refrain from wearing this as an evening bag. It is gorgeous. If you are going to wear it as an evening bag, for example, just find a way to pull the straps in if that's an option, and then just scrunch it under your arm as an oversized clutch bag, if that makes sense. But for the most part, in the evening, where are you going that you need so many contents? I absolutely love this burgundy color, and I think the silver hardware complements the bag a great amount. Now, based on what I can see from the strap, it is adjustable, and from the description, we know that you can wear it as a crossbody or with the double straps as a shoulder bag. Now, we're going to get into the straps of these handbags as we go along with the ones that we've chosen or I've chosen in this video. Now, this bag retails for £7,170. It's minimal, but it also applies to every type of style. So if you're not really that minimalist or channeling into that clean sort of girl aesthetic, this will also align with your personal style no matter what it is. I am also seeing let's click on it to see the actual description of the color. So this is a light brown. I do prefer, I was going to say I prefer the burgundy. No, I was going to say I prefer the light brown. I think I prefer the burgundy. Again, it retails for the same price, and overall, I absolutely love this bag. Before we go on to the next one, there's also a separate compartment at the back, which I think is great when designers add this to a bag. It enhances the security and the safety of your content. Yeah, this is the first bag that I wanted to share with you. So let me know in the comments what you think of it as well. Next, we've got the shopping bag. This is again from the Spring Summer 2026 collection. The description says, imagined as a conversation, as I was saying before, with Gabrielle Chanel, Matthieu Blazy's first collection for Chanel draws on the essence of the house's codes and establishes the fundamentals of a wardrobe in motion. I feel like the description that I just shared will give you a better picture of design behind the bags. So if you feel like this is not worthy of Chanel, because I have seen a few mixed reviews, then maybe go into a little bit of the backstory or the history as to how this overall design came about. Now, again, we've got lambskin and we've got a burgundy color. This does come in variations as well. This bag to me definitely channels 90s Chanel. The overall cut of the bag, the size, and the hardware. We all know that when it comes to Chanel, they know how to do gold hardware and they do it very, very well, if I must say. Sometimes it's very prominent, it's very in your face, but to me it barely looks, I can't think of a bag that looks cheap or tacky because of the gold hardware when it comes to Chanel, if that makes sense. And I just think this bag channels the very mature style. Now this bag retails for £5,130. I'm not seeing the dimensions of the bag online. I guess you probably have to get that information in store. I don't know. But I would have to see this. I mean, I did see it on the runway. So I feel like the size is pretty decent for an everyday bag, a more dressy type of everyday bag. But it's quite flat as well. So in terms of the width, you can't pack it too much. Otherwise, the bag will lose its shape. And of course, it won't look nice. So in terms of the price and the size, I'm not really sure, but the design I absolutely love. It's very mature, it's very 90s Chanel. So we'll see how this bag performs. Next up, we've got the Spring Summer 2026 Maxi Bowling Bag. Again, absolutely gorgeous. A great minimal bag with the signature quilted Chanel pattern. But this one is made of suede calf skin, and a gold tone metal. The bag is described as dark beige, but I must say, seeing this on the runway, I absolutely love it. Again, like I said, I didn't expect anything less with Matthieu Blazy. I knew he was going to come and conquer the house with beautiful designs that really channel the core aesthetic of the overall brand. And to me, he's done a fantastic job so far, amazing job. I will say I really love this color. I feel like it will work throughout all seasons, especially spring now that we're in spring, slowly transitioning into summer very soon. I feel like this color will pair with a lot of different tones and shades. I also love the fact that it's suede. I've always said this, suede gives off that high-end feel, that high-end look. Now, this bag retails for £7,480. Based on the size alone, I would definitely say this is worth it. This is a huge bag. I would consider this an ideal travel bag. But like I said, tread carefully because it's suede, so you will have to take a lot more care of it so that it won't get damaged and scratched up. And of course, because of the color, you have to be careful of visible wear and tear. Now, the description is the same as the previous one that I read to you, so I'm not going to repeat that. But like I said, I absolutely love this bag. The interior is a light color. So I feel like if you're someone that's slightly careless with your contents, you may want to put inserts in the bag. You've also got a compartment inside as well, which based on the picture that I can see, it goes from one end to the other. So that is a lot of space in that compartment inside. Of course, you have the zip closure, and then you've got the signature Chanel logo at the front of the bag. Absolutely gorgeous. I also love the drop of the handle. I feel like you can wear this over your shoulder if you don't have too many contents in your bag. So it can work as a shoulder bag, and of course you can carry it as a top handle. So to sum it up, another great bag which we absolutely love. So let me know again in the comments what you think of this one as well. We've got another bowling bag next up, and this is the large bowling bag from the Spring Summer 2026 collection. Now, this one is a very, very different shape from the bag that we just talked about. I'll start off with the price because it's right in my face. This one retails for £4,430. I know that this bag does come in different sizes, and so many different colors as well. I have seen beautiful pastel colors like a buttery soft yellow, a blush pink. I think they're very beautiful, very feminine. I will pop pictures on screen. And I've also seen so many women unboxing this bag or sharing shopping vlogs where they purchased this bag in Chanel. Now, I will say I've seen a number of videos as well where people are saying that this bag is not practical in any shape or form. Now, I don't want to dismiss anyone's comments or opinions, especially if you do have the handbag in your possession, then I definitely can't argue with that. But based on a lot of the reviews and the comments that I've seen, people feel like it's not practical because of the straps and how it would interfere with the flap. I will pop pictures on screen so that you can see that Matthieu Blazy thought of everything. There was no way he was going to give us a bag that costs thousands of pounds and was not practical in any way, shape, or form. In order to actually open the flap, you've got these cutouts so that it can open without obstructing the strap, if that makes sense. Now, I feel like for anyone that feels like this won't be practical, maybe this is where I sort of channel into like my design mode. Even though I'm not a designer, sometimes I like to think about different options that could have been part of the play when designing this bag. In my opinion, it also would have worked well as a single strap bag, as a top handle or long shoulder strap bag with just one strap, just placed at the top center, if that makes sense to you. So, in my opinion, this bag is absolutely gorgeous. Now, if I haven't mentioned the price, it retails for £4,430. The one pictured on screen, again, grained calf skin, lamb skin, and gold metal, and it is black and white. I really love the white piping, the white lining around the bag. I think that's what gives it that Chanel vintage vibe, if that makes sense. The calf skin leather, it's clean, it's smooth, it's minimal, but at the same time it's versatile as well. But yeah, like I said, I mean, you can see on screen, that's how you open the bag. The strap does not interfere in any way, shape, or form. So for anyone that has come across similar content such as myself, and you've sort of been contemplating going back and forth and telling yourself that this bag is not worth it, like I said, have a thorough browse through the website. Next, we've got the mini shopping bag, also known as the Chanel Kelly, from the Spring Summer 2026 collection. You've got shiny lambskin and a gold toned metal. This bag retails for £3,900. Again, channeling that vintage vibe, but we've seen this bag so many times and it is a lovable, adorable, very cute bag from Chanel. Is this bag practical? No, it's not. It's a very, very small bag. But if you are looking for a nice bag to wear on an evening out, but you don't want to carry a clutch bag, I feel like this style is a great option for you. Of course, it also comes with the straps, so you can wear it as a crossbody on a more so casual day, or you can tuck the straps in and hold it as a top handle. You can also wear top handle bags as clutch bags and just wear it under your arm. I've seen people do that so many times. I've even done it myself and it actually works very, very well. So, not much to say on this bag. It's always there, but it's absolutely beautiful. And I wanted to feature this one as well. Now, I do have different variants. I've pictured another one on screen from the Cruise 25-26 collection. This one retails for a little bit more, £4,080, and it's because I believe the high shine calf skin. This is also very nice. I feel like it'll be easier to maintain in terms of wiping off any stains or, visible wear and tear, if that makes sense. So, and if you can't get a Kelly, I feel like this is a great option. If you find the whole Hermes quota bag process a bit long, this is a great option for you. The next bag that I would like to feature has become such a popular sought after bag amongst the girlies, and this is the Chanel 25. The one I've pictured on screen is the small size, and I absolutely love this dark brown with gold toned metal. Now, this perforated calf skin is absolutely gorgeous, so gorgeous, and that's what made me feature this one. Again, This bag comes in so many different variants, and every time I pick up my phone and I scroll through apps, I'm always seeing different styles of this bag. You can get it in different sizes as well, but I feel like if you're looking for something a little bit more practical, the small size maybe will be ideal for you. Now, this is from the Spring Summer 2026 pre collection, and this retails for £5,650. I love the loud gold wear on this. Yes, that's how I'm going to describe it. The loud gold hardware. There's a lot of texture going on in this bag. There's a lot of geometry with the pattern on the calf skin. You've got a lot of detail going on in this bag, and I just think it works well. In my opinion, this is the bag that you pick up when your outfit is very, very simple. You're not doing too much, but you want something to make a statement and to complete your look. This is the perfect bag, in my opinion. Now, I'm seeing so many different colors, so many, and I'm seeing patent as well. I'm seeing orange, I'm seeing cream, I'm seeing white. And for the most part, they all, the ones I'm seeing anyway, have gold hardware. I love how the girls are loving the Chanel 25. I think it's a great bag to invest in. Absolutely great bag to invest in. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are, not just based on the handbags that we've talked about, but on the overall designs from Matthieu Blazy for Chanel. In my opinion, like I said at the start of the video, so far he has done an absolutely fantastic job. I think he has executed so many of the designs so well. And just to go off topic quickly, well, based on Chanel, I will say for the most part, a lot of the new creative directors for these fashion houses are doing an absolutely amazing job, in my opinion. The new Dior collection, absolutely gorgeous. Bottega, amazing. The prices, crazy. Yeah, crazy. But nonetheless, everything I've seen on the runway so far is hitting and doing exactly what it needs to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Share this video with anyone that you feel will enjoy or benefit from this type of content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.